My electricity bill for the past 3 months has been $23, $32, and $64. What is the average monthly electricity bill over the 3-month period? Write an expression to calculate the mean and use print to view the results. So what we're going to do is type out print 23 space plus 32 space plus 64. Then we'll have that divided by 3 and put parentheses around print and the 3. And when I test the expression, you can see I get an answer of 39.64. In this second example, we'll be doing some calculations for a tiler. 2 parts of a floor need tiling. One part is 9 tiles by 7 tiles long. The other is 5 tiles wide by 7 tiles long. Tiles come in packages of 6. First, how many tiles are needed? And second, you buy 17 packages of tiles containing 6 tiles each. How many tiles will be left over? So for the first part, we'll type print 9 times 7 space plus 5 times 7. And the second part, we'll do 17 times 6 minus 9 times 7 plus 5 times 7. So for the first part, we were able to find out how many tiles were needed by using the print function 9 times 7 space plus 5 times 7. And for the second part, we were able to find out how many tiles would be left over by using the print function 17 times 6 space minus space parentheses 9 times 7 space plus space 5 times 7. And we got answers of 98 and 4.